In this video, we will show you how to change the air filter on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You can see the airbox, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Then, using a fork, remove the wiring harness retaining clip. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, loosen the holding clip for the air intake duct on the airbox. Unclip both holding latches on the airbox cover. Lift the cover. Then move it aside. Take out the air filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to make sure they're identical. You can now put the new filter in place. Replace the cover by fitting it into the duct. To put the cover in, incline it so that the 3 interlocking studs go in first. Lock it with the 2 latches. Then screw the hose clamp back on. Clip the wiring harness back on. Operation complete.